Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the magic of maps in novels. Why do some of our favorite books include detailed maps? Let's dive into how maps enhance the storytelling experience and why they are a game changer for readers. Books transport us off to far-off lands and immerse us in new worlds. While descriptive prose is essential, including a map can elevate this experience. In this video, we'll explore the foundational reasons why maps are a crucial element in storytelling. Maps provide a sense of direction and spatial orientation, helping readers understand the geographical layout of fictional worlds. This is especially helpful in stories with complex settings. How does knowing the layout enhance your understanding of a story? Here's something you can try. Think of a book you love with a map. How did it help you navigate the story? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Maps are more than just guides. They are a tool for immersive world building. They allow readers to visualize the intricate details of the universe, from cities to landscapes. This adds depth and riches to the narrative. Think about what details on a map have stood out for you in a novel. How did it enrich your reading experience? In the next episode, we'll look at how maps engage readers and clarify complex plot points. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite maps in the comments. Think about what details on a map have stood out. Plot points. Your favorite maps in books. I'm not going to do that again.